Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I am sharing with you tonight. I just thought I'd make something very small and I thought to share it with you guys tonight on Facebook. Welcome to Cooking with Nina again. So here I am making, and this is a Caribbean style corned beef that's cooked up with onion, bell pepper, tomato, fresh garlic. Okay, so I am actually gonna open the tin of corned beef in the can. Okay, and we're not speaking of spam, we're speaking of corned beef in the can. Okay, and this is what my corned beef look like. Okay, so this is my corned beef. Okay, so we're gonna open this and we're gonna be putting it in this seasoning that you're looking at right here. So if you notice, I'm letting my season cook. Okay, I'm also making some green banana. Okay, here we have green banana, my green banana. Okay, so I'm boiling my green banana, and as soon as it's boiled, I'm gonna take it out the skin. Now it's very good to boil it in the skin because you get a lot of vitamins from it. Okay, a lot of iron. You know, it's very good cooking it in the skin. And once again, this is my all my fresh onion, bell pepper, tomato, fresh garlic. And I'm gonna open the tin of corned beef and show you and put it in there. And guess what, guys? This is an awesome meal. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so now, remember I showed you the corned beef in the can? Well, I open it and this is what it looked like. So you're gonna take your fork and you're just gonna kind of mash it all out. This way you can add all the ingredients, all the seasoning can cook up in it. Okay? And basically my stove is turned down low. Okay, so if you notice, all my seasoning is all mixed up. Okay, and we're gonna turn the stove down low and we're just gonna let it cook. And you can eat this with your rice. You can eat it with bread. You can eat it with anything, mashed potatoes, anything. Okay, and so now I'm gonna take some seasoning, which could be black pepper, um, Larry's. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna just sprinkle a little bit, not much, okay, over it. A little garlic powder, okay, even though I use my fresh garlic, I still like my garlic powder. And I'm using both hands, so just excuse me. A little bit of garlic powder, okay? And you're gonna put enough to your taste, to how you like it. A little black pepper. See, I'm gonna take a little black pepper and sprinkle. And that's about it. You don't want to add anything else. You can also put a little ketchup if you like ketchup, you know, or you can use the fresh tomato. I use the fresh tomato. And I might not have any ketchup, but you can add a little ketchup to it if you want. And you just mix that up and you're ready to go. Once again, thank you for sharing. And anytime that I can share with you guys, I would love to do it. Continue to watch me, subscribe, follow me on YouTube and Facebook. And that's Nina Elmore, Cooking with Nina. Awesome. Love you guys. Have a blessed week. Okay, people. Okay, so I'm back. So remember about maybe 25 minutes or so ago, I showed you that I was cooking the green banana. Well, this is the banana that was green. So it's all cooked, okay? And I'm gonna have it with the rice and my corned beef that I showed you when I was cooking it. So I'm gonna take it out the skin. So all I'm gonna do is just slightly cut it like this, okay? And I'm gonna take it out the skin. I can use my fork, okay? And there we go, okay? Take it right out the skin. Okay? And there you have the banana, okay? There you have the banana and the rice. And so now I just take my corned beef and I put it on the side. So I'm gonna take my corned beef that I made right here. I'm just gonna take a little and put it over my rice. And see that? There you go. You have your corned beef, rice, and green banana. Wow, and that tastes good. And that's a meal, guys. Okay? Well, thank you again for tuning in with Nina Elmore. And that's Cooking with Nina Elmore. Thank you.